Hello everyone, this is Karen with the Bain Group. And today we're going to learn about the online presence feature and how to set your status duration in Microsoft Teams. For today's topic, we're going to be covering the following. Review online presence feature and status in Microsoft Teams, setting durations for your status, then throughout the video, examples of why to update your status. So jumping right in, I'm on my Microsoft Teams desktop application. To see my online presence feature, I'm going to navigate to my profile picture. Then right underneath my name, if I hover over the available, I'm going to see 6 different options to choose from. A new one that's available in Microsoft Teams is setting a duration. When you click on duration, you can set your status and desired time of how long it stays active before reverting to the previous status. So for example, I'm about to go maybe on my lunch and I'm going to set it to be right back. And I want my status to reset after probably about an hour. But to explore more, for example, let's say I'm going on a vacation, I might want to set my status to appear away or appear offline. And I want to reset my status, maybe a customized option to, for example, if I have a 1 week vacation and I want this to revert back after around maybe 2 p.m. because that's when I might be coming back online to resume my work. Do note that for the time indication, it's only an increment of 30 minutes. So for example, if you want your status to end at maybe 2:59 p.m., that won't be available. So once that's all set and I select done, you can see back at my profile picture at the top that it was once showing green and now showing an X that I'll be offline. If you hover over it, you can also see the little text at the very bottom saying that I'm going to be offline until 1:28 at 2 p.m. Coming back in to explore my available options for my status. You can even hide yourself from being logged into Teams by choosing Appear Offline. Now, this is useful if you're working on something, especially on off hours, and you don't want anyone to see that you're logged into Teams. The ability to set your durations on present status in Teams could also help anyone who wants to take a short break working throughout the day. And if you want to take it a bit further for best practice, be sure to set your status meeting. And again, have your status clear after a certain amount of time, whether it be an hour, 4 hours, or customizing it. So thank you again for joining me in this tips and trick video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button to be notified, and we'll see you next time.